Hello, we are gonna be unboxing these boxes. Hulk smash! My head hurts.
Blur. No laughing.
Okay, yeah. So, yeah.
Will you stop that?
Yeah, each second I'm saying yeah. I don't know why. Okay, we are going to be opening these. One of them is my brother's. Guess which one? Dun, da, 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 da. Actually, you don't even know which one. So, yeah, which one? Comment down below. So you say which one. Is it right or is it left?
Or is
Who
it the
knows?
other way around?
Huh? What other way around?
Never mind.
Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Actually, I'm not going to reveal to you. Okay, grab your one. Mine. Okay, let's just open them. Three.
Hey, let me.
Okay. 3, 2. Where's your one? 3, 2,
Will you stop that?
1.
So stop that. Comment down below if this person is
Oh,
bad.
and
If she's bad at opening boxes.
okay, so
And there's different kinds.
There are
12.
12 of them, and my brother really wants to get which one?
The snowman. I think
Snowman.
we should.
And I want to get the snowman. So yeah,
Ayo, no.
snowman. Right there, can't you see?
I think it's bird. Bird.
So yeah, this is all the different types, and this is the secret. I feel like the robot is the Labubu robot. That's what I think, yeah. So, but anyways, I already opened mine, so yeah, I'm gonna open it.
Go. You're so slow.
Shut up.
2 hours later.
Oh my god. That card is not gonna be revealed. So this is where it is, but first I'm gonna open this. Well, actually, I don't really want to open that. I want to open the other one, so yeah.
Bird.
Hallelujah, hallelujah. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na. Hey, why's your arm in a bandage? A plastic.
Bro looks hot.
Oh my god.
I'll do it.
Nope. You have your own to do.
No. Just lay down.
Okay, so let's get back into opening this.
Use your teeth.
Let me! Hulk! Hulk Busters!
Hulk is weak.
Can you get scissors?
Bye, have a good day.
So yeah, that's basically it. Scissors.
Scissors, paper, rock.
Scissors beats plastic. Damn it.
Hey.
No! I got one out. That's one. Need the
I got
scissors.
another one.
And I got another one.
I am Hulk.
It's this way.
Oh, I think I'm dumb.
And these ones, I'm guessing they go here. Because it has a little hole. And the thing I didn't want to show you was the
Card.
Hallelujah. Let's just show you the side.
And we don't know what's this. Caution.
Here. And this is the back. This is the part I saw. So yeah. This is
Snowman.
no. This
Snowman.
is
Snowman.
let me see.
Astronaut.
Whatever. I don't really care. Okay.
Those stories.
Who's next?
Me, and it's Maximus.
Yay.
Shut up.
Yay.
Please shut up. And I'm going to unbox it.
Live storm. Cool.
If you know what's inside, comment down below.
And by the way, there's this one. There's an L on its forehead. What do you think that stands for? Loser. Aha. I did not draw that there.
I'm literally breaking everything.
You died.
You never told me you had a raccoon.
There's loads of plastic on him. Oh.
You're plastic.
I'm not.
And we have this.
What is it? So show me. It's the. Let me see.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Oh, you got a nice one.
Can I see?
I'm not telling you which one.
Yeah, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
You got flamingo.
Oh,
What? You want my one?
yeah, kind of.
Cute.
Eek.
Oh my god.
What is there? Ew, it's on his bum. And I think we have to put the lid on. 2 hours later.
Shut up.
Please shut up. Ding, 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 ding. And
Every time you see plastic, you just throw it behind you.
yes, I do that. And you know what this stands for?
Susie.
High five.
Oh.
Ding, 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 ding.
Oh wait, it stands for your mom.
Oh, oh.
I want to say it.
Hey. Hey, hell no. He's sleeping.
Wait.
No.
Show them. Show them the inside. This is mine. It's reading a book. Yeah. It's reading a book.
And this is mine.
Your one's snoozing in there.
Yeah.
Totally
Bro
snoozing.
needs to get snooze.
Okay.
And if you like axolotls, you see him at the background?
No.
Mm, mm,
No.
mm.
Boom, 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 boom.
He say, if you're wondering, he says, I may be tiny, axolotl, but I believe in you. Go do your things.
Like poos.
He doesn't do poos, and axolotl don't do poos.
No, the person he's talking to.
Eek. Bye, have a good time.
You know I have this propeller thing.
I can take it off. Ding, 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 ding.
Well, bye.
Bye, have a good time.
Smell you later. Wee. I meant going up. Oof. Wee.
Hey, hey, hey.
Rock, paper, plastic, whatever. Bye. I hope you subscribe. Oh no, we're going down to another level. Wait. Wait, you forgot to show the
know.
card.
I take that one.
Okay, whatever. Bye.
Wait. This is my card. Please shut up. Ding, 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 ding.
Okay. Bye. Bye. Have a good time.